To make a payment with your checking account, begin by logging into your myLoneStar account and clicking the Financial Account tile. Next, click Make a Payment. You will be connected to our payment processor, Nelnet. Once in your Nelnet account, click Make a Payment. Next, choose the appropriate term and amount you wish to pay. Then click Next, Payment Method. By default, bank account should be selected as your payment method. Enter your bank account information. Optionally, you can also choose to save this account information for future payment use. Once you have entered all of your bank account information, click Save and Continue. Confirm your payment amount. When you are ready to submit your payment, click the Pay Now link. You have successfully completed your payment using your bank account. You can click the Proceed to Home link to return to your Nelnet home page. For security purposes, don't forget to sign out of your account by clicking the Sign Out option.